there's just things that cross the road.
I love that.
Okay, so here I am. Oh, with my tour guides. Okay, we're in
proboscis monkeys.
They
proboscis. Oh, they said hibiscus.
No, bro.
Looking like fish thing. It looks like Darwin's missing link.
Oh, yeah. I see
And they
it.
actually put air in their mouths and come out and dig little buttholes.
Oh, okay. So we're at this monkey park thing, and this is what we're looking for.
Huge nose.
Oh yeah, the big nose, ugly ones. And I can't be swinging anything, so I won't get attacked. Maybe I want to get attacked. That'd be good footage, right? Viral video. Oh, ew, gross.
down there.
Now make your mouth so bad.
There's a real life. Let's go this way.
All right, well,
This way's the better way.
it smells really good in here too. Kind of like sewer. Gross, I can't really zoom in.
That guy right there.
There's another big one.
Yeah,
Look at these.
So those are the proboscis monkeys, which is
The males have really huge noses, and the girls have these like.
and they would say they're like this is a Dutch colony.
She's
Recording.
alligator farm by this big pond thing. One second, that male right there has a huge nose. You see it?
Yeah.
There's an alligator farm by the pond thing here, and one alligator got loose and it was swimming.
And there's like a macaque right in there. He's drinking from the juice box. Nice. And there's some like eagles in there. They look cool. It's pretty cute. Cool in here. So they're kind of like raccoons. They'll just like eat everything, and they're like.
And
he's actually drinking. I know he's drinking it. Wow. He's thirsty. It's hot in here.
This is called miache.
Miache. We're having food.
Yeah.
We try
They're
this.
showing me these weird things. It's like a noodle place. Whew, is that gonna be spicy?
Yes, that's why you go.
You just ate the whole thing.
Let me try.
I don't think I'd like that. I mean,
in
I like
that,
spicy,
Dad?
but that seems a
What's
little
in
bit,
that?
a little bit insane.
What's in it?
I'm not sure.
Shrimp.
Try it, dude. Try it. You can do it.
You should try it. You want to eat the pepper? That's too hot. Yeah, I should have some water. On YouTube, and everyone will see you eat the hot pepper.
Listen, to get rid of the taste, you're going to need something else.
The rice.
So you're going to have to eat this rice with it after, okay?
It will actually kill me?
No, it won't kill you. It'll be amazing. Oh, it's like a paste rice.
No.
Does it smell bad, or you're just choking on the heat?
Try it.
It's like, oh, it's got like something bean paste in it.
Yeah, eat the pepper.
I get it.
Eat the pepper.
Good?
Oh yeah, super good. It's like sweet inside. It's like teriyaki. Dude, go for it.
That looks like a block of cheese.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off then if you're not gonna do it.
It's live?
It's I'm filming it. It's been going this whole time.
I'm on YouTube.
Sign it.
Oh my gosh, that's not a bite.
Do it. Hold
Not that bad.
You didn't
You gotta
really
get the seeds in there.
It's actually not that bad.
You didn't get a hot one?
It's not that bad. It is burning. It is making me cry.
Is your face going red?
Eat some of this.
Here, this is gonna make it worse, bud.
You're gonna eat some of this. That'll take the hot away. That'll make it worse. Eat some of this first before
Well,
you
it
get
actually
some
isn't
more.
that bad.
Yeah, I'm having this. I have something in my teeth. That rice thing I ate. This is tea with milk or something,
Jay tarakan.
and they mix it like a pouring thing back and forth. So let's see. Oh, it's good. It's like creamy. It's like a dessert almost. I like it. You never had it? Okay, our food arrived. It's come in a couple different sections. So, you know, they got theirs first, and now we're getting our spicy shrimp something rather thing with these like chip things. Are they spicy?
Those aren't spicy, but the noodles are.
I got some spicy noodles. Let's see. made a bad choice getting something spicy. Oh, that's so good. That's like a good heat. Okay, so these are guns from the war. There's like another one over there and another one over there. Let's shoot it. Wow, that's cool.
The guns were blown up and destroyed. Probably before the Japanese.
This is a bunker. I feel like the bunker kind of stinks too. Some musty smell coming from in there. And there's the view.
I'll show you. We're going to another bunker.
All right, let's go to another bunker.
That's out east.
That's the base.
Looking, it looks the whole harbor.
Okay.
This is east right here, south.
Yeah.
Looking out, sorry, west, south.
Are you saying cootie?
And if anybody came in here to take this harbor,
Whoa.
they'd be able to see it.
Right, right.
They would sit up here in the radio, and those guns, there's guns all on here. And apparently little miniature munition trains.
Yeah.
And they would say, okay, we've got like someone attacking in here or whatever.
Ooh, we're in a bunker. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. That's really cool. Native Americans of Indonesia here in their teepees. Oh, that's kind of cool with a waterfall. Oops, my finger right in front of this camera.
That actually was a natural waterfall up until about 2 years ago.
Really? And they've made it all this fake stone?
Yeah.
There was an old swimming area right there before.
And there's is there a suspension bridge here or something?
There's two. There's two suspension bridges.
You missed the part where Amy said about 7 times that they have a suspension bridge.
Anybody
They have a suspension bridge!
They do. They have two.
Sorry, I should say they have 2 because we've been corrected. Oh, look at this super romantic spot I could get married to right in front of the teepees. Hmm? There's 2 suspension bridges. So we're going to these alleged bridges right now.
There they are. There's one.
Right over the like fake waterfall.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one of those. That's loud.
They're like these big black
We
bug
found it!
things. They're like,
Oh, okay.
it's quite exciting.
Is this an actual suspension bridge, Amy?
I like the paint job on it. It's like the gay pride suspension bridge.
Crosswalks in downtown Vancouver.
Yeah. Okay, jump into the water. No?
Is it deep?
Yeah, a little bit. We found the beach, except it's super dirty. It's garbagey beach.
Oh, we can take
Chrisanne, you should send Surf Rider here to clean the
Sometimes you
beach.
can find diapers. Well, the good thing is here is it'll actually produce more garbage than you can clean up.
Yeah, probably.
It's like renewable resource.
It's too bad we couldn't like allow this. Is this like a bone or something?
It's beautiful though. Okay, I'm gonna have this drink that Amy brought me. It's made with bird's nests. Bird nests flavored drink. So, like, it's literally made out of a bird's nest, apparently. The kids are gonna try it too. Well, 2 of the kids. Are you gonna totally try it?
Maybe.
Okay, you just want a little bit, or do you want?
I'll have a tiny bit.
Oh, it doesn't smell good.
Okay, I want to smell it.
You guys have to drink it.
All at the same time.
Okay.
You don't want any?
It smells like the barnyard second markers.
Okay.
Charlotte, it's not that bad.
Charlotte, be brave.
Just a little bit. Okay, you and me. Cheers.
Okay, cheers. Swallow it all.
Oh, it's kind of. It's weird.
Yeah, it's just weird.
It's like savory, but it's like a drink. You
I
want to try it?
I thought you were gonna say it's like Satan.
It's like drinking like
Your screen
like a
just shut off.
pastry. It's still recording.
Okay.
It's like drinking a pastry. You should try it.
Okay.
It doesn't taste that bad though. It's actually good.
It's slightly nutty.
Yeah. It's like savory, right?
Oh, it smells disgusting. Where did you get it?
Come on, Charlotte, try it.
No, never.
But it must be.
I will try the next one.
Think it's good for you?
Drink.
Does it have lots of sugar in it? And calories?
Let's see. There's 28 grams of sugar in 300 mils.
28 grams is a lot of sugar.
It tastes nutty.
Yeah, it's like drinking almond milk water or something. Kind of coconut watery.
It tastes like
Do you
almond
like
milk.
it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, okay. Well, we're just hanging out. All the kids are watching this weird show that I've only heard of from Christine and Aaron called Adventure Time. It's weird. And we're having dinner pretty soon of chicken and potatoes and salad, and it's still really hot. I don't know how hot it is. It's like 28 degrees, and it's 7:30 at night. Did you guys have fun today? Are you sure? It was pretty fun. It was really hot though. I got to experience the back sweat hot today, so it's what it's like here. Just hot. But you get that glisten sun kiss look. I don't know if I've gotten a tan yet. 1 hour in the